Alright, ngayon naman mga boss, pag-uusapan natin ngayong September, darating na September, ay celebrate natin ang 26th Philippine Travel Mart. And to know more about that, makasama natin this morning ang ating very special guest. Let us all welcome. We have Mr. Cesar Cruz, President ng Philippine Tour Operators Association. Good morning. Welcome to Good Morning Boss.
Magandang umaga talaga. And thank you for having us here.
Alright, to start off, it's more fun in the Philippines. Kamusta ang turismo ng ating bansa?
The fun really continues as far as tourism is concerned. Ang ating domestic tourism, meaning to say we have really surpassed it ng yung ating domestic tourism movement ngayon by about more than 40%.
Wow, talagang pataas ng pataas.
Ang ating inbound tourism, if the trend continues, in spite of the challenges that we have now, has consistently increasing to about 7%. So hopefully, if this trend continues at the end of the year, this year, we might be reaching about 5.5 million.
Wow. So sa lahat po ba ng lugar dito sa Pilipinas, kamustahin natin saan ba ang pinakamalakas pagdating sa turismo?
Ang ating mga main destinations ay naindun pa rin siya. Of course, ang ating Boracay, andyan pa rin sa Cebu, si Bohol, ang ating northern part of the Philippines, the Cordillera area, Batanes is coming in there very strong as far as the northern part of Palawan. Of course,
Palawan.
Yes.
Alam nyo, sir, can I just share? Kasi kakagaling ko lang ng Cebu. I went to Oslo, swimming with the whale sharks. Grabe ang turista. Napakadami. Pati ang pila, kailangan mo magpa-reserve a day before or 2 days before sa dami ng pumupunta. So, isang magandang pangitain na ito na patuloy na umaangat ang ating ekonomiya at patuloy na tinatangkilik ng hindi lamang tayo mga Pilipino, kundi pati mga turista, ang magagandang spots dito sa Pilipinas at good news yan. At good news din because this coming September, we are going to celebrate the 26th Philippine Travel Mart. Can you tell us more about this?
Okay, ang ating annual travel exhibition ay mangyayari ulit sa September 4 to 6. This will be held at the SMX Convention Center. During the 3-day period nitong ating travel trade exhibition ay makakakuha kayo talaga ng mga mura-mura mga pakete about the Philippines. Although this time we're also including, because of the ASEAN integration, ang mga ASEAN destinations plus China, Korea, and Japan.
So hindi lang Pilipinas, international.
Kisabay na kasi tayo ngayon because this year we started with the ASEAN integration. So pinopromote natin ngayon ng inter-ASEAN travel ngayon.
But what is really our main objective? Why are we doing this?
Para sa ating domestic and inbound tourism ng Pilipinas to. The reason kung bakit sinasama na namin dito ang mga ASEAN destination, kasi ayaw nating maiwan. We want to project that the Philippines could be a hub for ASEAN intertravel.
That's right. So this is actually a perfect venue para dun sa mga dyan na mismong dayuhan sa sarili nilang bansa.
Correct.
Ito na yung way and perfect venue para mas makilala nila at makita ang magagandang spots dito sa Pilipinas. At ano po ba may mga promos po ba tayong i-offer?
Magsimula siguro tayo sa mga domestic airfare natin. We will be offering as low as starting as 100 pesos for destinations like Basco in Batanes, sa Coron, sa Northern Palawan, Katiklan for Boracay. At meron pa mga fares na babagsak dyan. Meron, other than the airfares, meron tayong mga packages na mga 2 nights to 4 nights. Example, be offering like Boracay package, you can get as low as from 1,000, starting 1,500 pesos, di ba? Tapos yung mga Batanes natin siguro will be offering less than 10,000 pesos na normally na binibenta, nakukuha mo yan ng 28,000 pesos.
Sinong mga partner agencies natin dito?
Marami to. We have about 230 exhibitors during the Philippine Travel Mart. We have about 30 to 40 tour operators, ang ating mga accommodation sector, and of course, ang ating mga LGU partners dito all over the Philippines. The entire Philippines will be represented in the about 300 square meter pavilion of the Tourism Promotions Board. Tapos almost like Ilocos, Bohol, ang ating mga Cotabato area, they will all be there really to promote the destinations and offer the special packages.
Alright, since we're all very excited sa mga packages and promos na ito upang malibot na natin ang ganda ng Pilipinas, would you like to invite our viewers out there to go to the exhibit or to go to the Philippine Travel Mart?
Yeah, gladly. We would like to invite everybody, mga kababayan po natin dyan, September 4 to 6, Friday to Sunday po yan, 3 araw lang po yan. The earlier you go there, the better chances that you have that you can really avail of this really low prices in terms of airfare and the packages. Mga limitadong seats po siya, pero kung dumating kayo ng maaga ron, I'm sure you can really avail of those really the low packages.
Alright, so I would like to encourage our viewers out there to go to the Philippine Travel Mart. Wag po tayo maging dayuhan sa sarili nating bansa. Life is too short and just travel and enjoy. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. That was Mr. Cesar Cruz, President of Philippine Tour Operators Association.